Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tony here from Italian Dual Citizenship Assistance, and today's update is about a new decision from Italy's Constitutional Court, something that we've been waiting on since the hearing back on June 24th. Now, the ruling came out today, July 31st, just before the court's summer break, and while it doesn't change the current law, it does give us some insight into how the court views citizenship by descent and why there's still reason to stay hopeful moving forward. Now, this case came from older legal challenges that questioned whether Italian citizenship could be passed down across unlimited generations. In other words, was it constitutional for someone to claim citizenship from a great grandparent or further? The court today said yes, or more specifically, they said they won't step in to restrict that right. They explained that any limits on descent based citizenship would require a policy decision, one that only Parliament can make and not the judiciary. So the court rejected all of the lower court complaints and confirmed that descent-based citizenship under the old rules was legally valid. Now, this ruling does not apply to the new rules introduced in March of 2025 through Law 74. It doesn't address the two-generation limit or the restrictions on dual citizens born abroad. Those rules weren't part of this case because the legal challenges were filed before the new law or the decree law even went into effect. But that brings us to something very important. The day after this June 24th hearing, on June 25th, a new case was referred to the Constitutional Court by the Court of Turin. That case does challenge part of Law 74 directly, and it's one of the first formal efforts to test whether the new law restrictions hold up under the Constitution. The court has accepted it for review, though as of today, no hearing date has yet been set. We likely won't hear more until after the summer recess, which begins tomorrow, August 1st. Still, today's decision gives us a helpful preview. It shows us that the court respects citizenship by descent as a valid legal concept, and that it's unlikely to do anything to restrict it unless Parliament has made clear constitutional changes. Well, that's encouraging for anyone hoping the new rules might eventually be challenged and re-examined. So, if you're someone who's currently blocked by the new law, today's decision doesn't expressly open your pathway, but it does suggest that the courts are willing to listen and that there's still legal room for change. And we'll be watching the June 25th case closely once it moves forward and is formally scheduled in the Constitutional Court. And I'll keep you posted as soon as there are updates. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you want help reviewing anything about your personal Italian citizenship situation or exploring your options, you can book a consultation with me at italiandual.com. I offer affordable 20, 30, and 60-minute consultations, and you can book them on my website at italiandual.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video soon.